Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Our project title is Tour Guide app using Google API. Abstract of our project is the tour guide. The Android app tour guide. The Android app is cutting edge and user-friendly mobile application designed to enhance the travel experience for tourists and explorers. With the rapid growing of tourist industries, travelers often sequence convenient and informative ways to navigate the new destination. Tour guide serves as a virtual tour guide, offering a comprehensive solution for both tourists and locals alike. Tour guide provide the interactive maps with the GPS integrations, allow users to pinpoint their locations and explore the near attractive restaurants and hotels and points of interest. The map app allows users to create the personalized travel itineraries, helping them plan their trip efficiently. It suggests nearby attractions and optimizes route for a seamless experiences. Tour guide aims to redefine the travel experience, making it more accessible, informative, and enjoyable for users. This Android app is a valuable companion for anyone exploring the new destinations, offering the convenience, cultural insights, and memorable adventures. This is app of our project. Then this is a login screen, and then this is the sign up screen. If you want the new user, just register here. Then sign up. Click sign up means press sign up button. If I enter the James names, mobile number, then jamesgmail.com and like password. Okay. Then press sign up. Register successfully. Then first start tour or tour planning. If you first we go to the start. If example I tried Madurai, just enter the Madurai screen because we are from Madurai, so I select Madurai. Then market. Then this is the category wise. Then market, hospital, historical. If example cinema, if you want to go to cinema means then click the cinemas review and centrals. If you want to location of the map of direction, if you want to means then just click the map icon. Then click where is the. Then if you want to go to Cinephilia, then click the direction button here. Then automatically goes to the map and give the is made to sign skip then your location to sorry my location is unavailable, this is here so this is not possible. So if you but movie name theater name is showing here, this is means anomaly theater like that. Like that. Then then if you want tour planning, then click tour planning. Just click add tour name. Fine, you want to Madurai. Start date. Tomorrow I want to go movie means then just a starting date and ending date. Madurai tour plan is how many days? 5. If you want to go means Madurai to 4 days, then 10 to 13. then click submit. Success. Then see here, then Madurai. Then I click Madurai means it's opening the, if you want to planning the like that, if you plan, if example 11 the date, you go to cinema means click 11 and timing is 1:30. Use the, if you want to place means just to long press in this place, then go to Madurai which you want to cinemas, then click cinemas, and which cinemas, INOX, then is adding INOX cinemas, then add, see here INOX Facility Mall at 1:30 p.m. Thank you.